Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video I will tell you how you need to present your programs and how you need to remember your web technologies programs easily, as many of you were students were getting difficulties to remember the program. So for them I am doing this video. So by watching this video you will get a clear clarity. So this video is only for the students, those who want only programming, and if you want in depth of the programming, this video will not be useful. So here I will give certain tips which you need to perform in the examination to score full marks while writing program also. So for that purpose only I have done this video. So if you want clarity about the programs, if you want explanation of programs, means in this video you will not at all get anything, that type of things. Okay, this video only for the program presentation only. Okay, in web technology students, you will have a basic structure. Okay, that basic structure program will be valid for any question. Okay, out of 5 chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 and chapter 5, this 5 chapters, in part B you will attempt 5 questions. In 5 questions you need to compulsory, you need to write the program. Okay, whether they are asking or not, you need to write the program. See, table question you are having program, form and frames you are having, css you are having, and filters and transitions you are having, xml you are having. Next, this what you are having, data types you are having, operators you are having programs. Okay, so events and mouse, this 10 questions, whatever are 9 questions I have given, this 9 questions you are having programs. Got it? And out of these 9 questions, except XML, remaining all will have interrelated programs only. Means you will have some basic structure, that is, here I am writing HTML. Okay, HTML head, title open, title close, head close, body open, and here you will have the stuff related to the answer, and here body close and HTML close. This is the basic structure of program in web technology. You can use this structure. Based on this structure, in middle whatever the space you are having, you adjust it related to the question. In table, here you will have table open. Okay, tr table, td table, like that you will get. In forms and frames, here all you will get input type is equal to like that text or css you will get for the css, like that. This is the basic structure. And one more thing what I am gonna tell you is, nobody in the paper correction will not check whether you have done a program in a correct or a wrong way. What they will check, mostly they will check that whether student is attempted program or not, they will check, but they will not execute your program while doing correction. ఓకే, సో చాలామంది ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు అంటే, ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఇఫ్ ఎనీ మిస్టేక్ వాజ్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఇన్ మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్, విల్ దే కట్ మార్క్స్? No, absolutely no. Why? Because they will not have that much time to see your paper in clean, in detail about that. What they will see, they have written the topic related to the question, and the student written the program, and they have written the output, they will see. Okay, so output is also important. Tables you are having output, filters and transition you are having output, css you are not having, frames and forms you are having, xml you are not having, and data types you are having, operators you are having, here events and mouse you are not having output. So okay, programming only you are having. Okay, got it? Output is also important. Then what I am saying is, just you remember this basic structure. This is eligible, this is valid for any question. And inkokati simple what tip I can give you is, something or the other you write here. For example, here you will have h1, and here you will have input type is equal to text or css, text or CSS in brackets, like that. So this is also most of the programs will repeat. If you have observed in my notes PDF, you will easily understand and you can easily. So at exam moment, if you are not remembering the program, means try to write something, but you need to write the programs compulsory. That is important. Okay, so output means table. You just draw the table as a output. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is a table. Forms and frames, you have already seen the user ID password, that is a form and frame. And next you are having output for the remaining also. Okay, in XML, coming back to the XML, here you will have uh, XML like bracket open question mark XML version, okay, is equal to 1.0. This is the syntax of the XML. Here you will have root element. Okay, in root element you will have child. In child you will have subchild. Subchild open, subchild close, child close, root element close. Okay, see example here. If you are finding for the phones, in phones you will have Android phone, and another thing is phone, you will have Android, you will have iPhone. In Android phone you will have Oppo, Samsung, Vivo, like that. You know, in iPhone you will have Apple. So if you click on a root element, they will show the child element. If you click on child element, they will see the subchild element. Okay, so XML will be a tree based structure, no? So like that you need to remember for today's examination. I hope that something or the other thing you written it, ma, but you remember this basic structure. It is important. Okay, students. So this is all about the video. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups, because our channel is near to 50k subscribers. And let me know in the comment section whether this video is useful or not. Okay, students. So once again, all the very best for your last exam in your last fourth semester. See you all in next video. Bye bye, students.